Both numbers are close to 1/3, but which one is larger? Let's denote the first number as A, the second as B. Let's consider the reciprocal of A. So 1 over A equals 33,331 over 11,110. We can break this fraction as two fractions. So the first one is 33,330 over 11,110 plus 1 over 11,110. So you see that one equals 3. So we get 3 and 1 over 11,110. Let's look at the reciprocal of B. So 1 over B equals 99,997 over 33,332. Again, we break the fraction as two fractions. So we get 99,996 over 33,332 plus 1 over 33,332. So we get the first one is 3, so 3 and 1 over 33,332. So you see the first fraction greater than the second fraction. So I would say because 1 over A greater than 1 over B, so we know A less than B. So the final answer will be A less than B. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.